Hi, it's Carol. I've got a fun, quick tutorial for you today. We're going to make a great background paper for your art journal, starting with an old Ecoprint that didn't quite turn out as it should have. I'm starting with this old print that was not a favorite, the colors were muddy, and the pattern was ill-defined. You know what I'm talking about. No need to toss it out, though. We're going to breathe whole new life into it. I have a digital file that I like to print on top of these so-so Ecoprints, and I've given you a PDF below that you can download. Once you have the file, load your Ecoprint paper into your printer. I like to tape mine to a piece of cardstock first so it feeds through the printer without jamming. Then just print the PDF right on top of it like regular copy paper. Couldn't be easier. Now let's make it even more interesting. Once the print's done, it's time to add some texture. I love to use gesso, but you can mix gesso with a little bit of plaster of Paris to add even more texture. Take a credit card or any type of spreader and spread the gesso over the paper. The trick here is to create highs and lows, thin spots and thick spots. And you want to be able to see the text through the gesso in some places. Get really creative with this. Once the texture is spread out the way you like it, let it dry completely. The paper will get a little stiffer, which is what we want. It's going to give your journal page a nice sturdy base to build on. When the texture is dry, tear it down to fit your journal page. Instead of cutting it, I like to use a ruler to tear the edges. It gives the page a deckled organic edge. Just mark the size you need and tear it along those marks for a perfect fit. And don't throw away those scraps. They're great for other projects. Feel free to take this texture and make it your own. Make it more textured or experiment with a little paint and add color. The possibilities are endless. And that's it. Now you've got the first layer for your art journal page, ready for you to create even more good stuff on top. I hope this was helpful and inspires you to reuse those old Ecoprints in a fun new way. Thanks so much for stopping by. See you next time.